Quickly and easily connect to the latest Windows and Mac computers with rugged's reversible USB-C cable, or legacy computers using the included USB 3.0 adapter. Enjoy fast USB-C 130 MB per second file transfers, backups, and image browsing. Confidently tackle any terrain with drop, crush, and rain resistance. Take advantage of a complimentary 1-month membership to the Adobe Creative Cloud All Apps plan for access to awesome photo and video editing apps. What's in the box? LaCie Rugged USB-C. USB-C, USB 3.15 gigabits per second cable. USB-C to USB-A cable. Quick install guide. Top reviews from the United States. Great external drive for my MacBook Pro. I am a big fan of this drive from LaCie. In fact, I have 3 of them in various sizes. Need I say more? I can't remember having trouble with connecting or disconnecting to the Mac. I would like to try the SS version but haven't yet parted with that amount of dough to try. If you have a Mac that you are going to attach this up to, you will be happy. I am only a PC person for work, so I can't say about that platform.